Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to create the new viral Instagram Reels using the 5120 by 1080 aspect ratio. This format is trending right now and give your content a super wide cinematic look. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open Canva on your phone or desktop, and then from the home screen, just tap on. You can just select the category that you like. On this tutorial, I will just choose social media first. Like this. This will open up a blank canvas. Now just tap on three dots icon in the top corner. This one. And then choose resize. And here just select custom size. And then just adjust the size like this. And then just hit resize these designs. And Canva will generate your extra wide frame like this. And then just change the color into black like this, and then that's it for the base setup. Now just export or download this frame to your device. Just tap on export and then download, and then just tap on download like this. Next, just open your favorite video editor. In this tutorial I'll be using CapCut, but you can use any app that you like. And then just import the frames that we just created in Canva like this. And then now import the videos that you want to use for your reel. And then what you need to do is enlarge its video and position it so that it fully fills the wide frame like this. And then just adjust the durations as you like. Just keep adjusting until everything fits perfectly across the frame. And then just delete the old frame like this. And then once your video are in place, you can start adding your personal creative touch. For example, like add cinematic animations, use text overlays, drop in some trending music, or even add shadow effects to make it pop. Basically, just edit it just like a normal reel, but now with this epic new wide format. And okay, that's it. Your 5120 by 1080 viral reels is ready to post on Instagram. Just try it out and experiment with your styles. And okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.